He's moving! Hold! He's coming right at us! Back up!
Wait, what?
It's a dog!
No way.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh, I thought we were
He's
dead!
wagging his tail.
Right, Bafetu Sanbonani, good day. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not a robot, please give the video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, Bafetu. Bafetu, the latest Kaiser Chiefs updates that are coming as of today. It's involving Ungcobo. Don't go anywhere, Bafetu. I'll tell you all about the proposed swap deal between Kaiser Chiefs and Amazulu. So don't go anywhere. I'll give you those juicy details. But before we get to that, let us watch this video.
PSL is a joke. PSL is a joke. Orlando Amstel Arena is a joke. Baqale ngokuvimba ugoalkeeper wesikhukhune from warming up. Ugoalkeeper uya warm up. Niyamvimba nini? Yini le? Tell mina, what the hell is that? Huh? Why behave njengabantwana abancane? Fine. Siyadlula lapho. Nangu omunye u-fourth official. Yini inkinga yalo mama? We are making substitutes. Is the 68th or should I say 69th minute. When ama-substitute uzowafaka on the 74th. Kanjani mfethu? How many minutes is that? Wena kuthatha 5 minutes plus ukuthi upunch amanamba lapho kule board yakho. 5 minutes. You need and ukhaze maka complain nimshaya red card. PSL is a joke, bafethu. This is a joke. Lento yenzeka la. You can't even complain. Umuntu uthatha isikhathi sakhe mfethu. Bayoze bakore labantu lowo thina sizama ukufaka ama new players la. Wena ubhizi upuncha iboard. How tough is it? Ukutype 14 uphinde utype u12 lapho. Omunye ugreen omunye ured. Yini enzima lapho? Khona. Aborefi bala they are a joke. They are a joke, bafethu.
Hey, ngisakhona bengu-goalkeeper ngisakhona. Bengu-goalkeeper. Bengutimele ngikhona. Serious.
Now it makes sense for Matako why I keep it. Matako asakhula belu goalkeeper. So Siphotheni must watch out. What that position now?
Unfortunately, you know how it goes. Look, some players will go to the first team, some players will not go to the first team. I'm not happy. If you saw the other show, I was talking about Tunaledi Hlongwane, and unhappy I am that he's gone on loan Lapayana Go Hope FC Yojoina Abo Samkelo Zwane. And I was really hoping this would be Naledi Hlongwane's breakout season. But yeah, Bunama player Lapayana, I think the likes of Wandile Duba have more experience and they've gone for more experience than Naledi Hlongwane. But Kaiser Chiefs are currently in pursuit of a striker. And I don't know why Hlongwane bangahambisanga Lapayana ku Golden Arrows. Who blocked that move? Is it the same guy who blocked Mangoba Mngeti's move? But yeah, that move fell through. Mngeti Magahamba Ayale Tanzania, I think he's joined Yanga. And Naledi Hlongwane is it's gone to Hope FC. It'll be competing Lapayana Gu. I think it's the ABC Motsepe League, if I'm not mistaken. Bafethu Naledi Hlongwane and Pheko Phago. Pheko Phago naye umnandi man uPheko Phago bafethu umnandi. Let's hope no Zwane, let's hope that they will regain that confidence and they will get that experience with Kaizer Chiefs. I hope that they take their loan spells with a positive attitude and their chin up. So Bafethu, that is what I have for you in terms of Ama loan. Yeah, siyazi nabo goalkeeper Bobontle Molefe. If you haven't seen the Kaizer Chiefs squad, this is if you missed that show where I have the full squad for you guys, let me just put it on the screen for you guys. Though that is the Kaizer Chiefs full squad. Niyababona laphayana bakhona abo Faiz, niyababona bakhona abo Valibayo, bakhona abo Frosler, bakhona abo Solomons. Hey, maningi amakhaladi lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Cape Town Chiefs. Kwenzakalani amakhaladi amaningi kangaka bafethu. But yeah, I think football it's all about talent, and yeah, you get the best talent irrespective of race. Yabona siyababona belungu bakhona laphana babili uCross no Lokozana no Chislet. Yeah, I saw a very interesting video. If you didn't see it, let me put it on the screen for you.
Lo iplayer laseNorway udlalela iMan City uHaaland. Nalelinye iplayer laseNorway
are creative. Yeah, so yeah, Thabo Cele is also in the squad. I'm very happy about that. I hope that a rumor of him going to Mamelodi Sundowns is not true. And yeah, guys, let us now talk about the proposed swap deal for Ungcobo ufunwa uArthur Zwane, since iKaizer Chiefs ifuna uNgwenya. So yeah, do you think that would be a good deal? Kaizer Chiefs' proposed move bafuna ukufaka uNgcobo plus cash for uNgwenya. Ngwenya is currently leading the PSL charts, the goal scoring charts. He has scored 6 goals so far this season. That is Ungwenya. And if he goes on at this rate, imali yakhe izokhuphuka, his stock is going to rise. We know that goals are expensive. And yeah, Kaizer Chiefs are probably going to face competition from Mamelodi Sundowns and Pirates. And we know once Sundowns yangena ku picture, it's up to the player now ukuthi yena akafuna ukuya ku Sundowns or akafuna ukuya ku Pirates. But yeah, yeah, we will see who will be the highest bidder. I think this is actually the right time for Kaizer Chiefs to sign Ungwenya bafethu. Let's hope that they get Ungwenya, because we saw they struggled to get Gelson Dala, and there's Osmendi also linked from Argentina. That move is also stalling. We don't know what's going on there. We're just hoping that this week or next week, the latest, Kaizer Chiefs will have a striker. We need a striker to win the CAF Confed, and we need a striker to win the league. They say defenders win you games, but it's the strikers that wins you matches. So if you don't have a prolific striker or goal scorers, forget about winning trophies. And the league is it's the ultimate one. It's the biggest one, the big fish league. And I would like mina ngajabula mangabona iKhosi wina ileague ne-CAF Confed. Lawa mayang nandaba now. Right, bafethu, remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. That was the latest regarding iLokhuzana iChiefs noNgcobo namazulu bafake uNgcobo in the mix, because uNgcobo amazulu wanted uNgcobo on loan. Siyazi ukuthi uArthur Zwane uyamazi uNgcobo mfana wakhe, so bekamfuna on loan. So iChiefs it's entertaining, nisinikezeni uNgwenya sifake nemali. So yeah, we will see. I'll give you an update once I have more information on the details about that. We still have until the 22nd of September. Transfer window iyavala bafethu. Niyosho ukuthi ngasho. I'll leave you with this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you're not a robot. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one.